Court is now in session. We are here to hear this divorce petition.
My lord, my client seeks divorce because the marriage has completely broken down. Objection, my lord. A claim of breakdown is not evidence of wrongdoing.
Objection noted. Counsel, proceed with your evidence.
My client endured months of emotional neglect, and my client was working tirelessly to provide for the family. Providing money does not excuse abandoning your spouse emotionally, and emotional complaints do not erase financial responsibilities. Lord, my client repeatedly asked him to attend counseling because, according to my client, she had already decided to leave. That is precisely why counseling was necessary. No, counsel! That is precisely why the marriage was already beyond repair. Counsel!
One at a time.
Apologies, my lord. Of course, my lord.
My lord, we have messages showing that the husband repeatedly ignored her. And we have messages showing she threatened to leave the marriage. A frustrated spouse expressing pain is not the same as abandoning a marriage, but repeated threats can demonstrate that reconciliation was no longer realistic.
Interesting. But where is the evidence that these messages are authentic?
We are prepared to authenticate them, my lord.
And we challenge their interpretation.
Interpretation? Counsel, the words speak for themselves.
Enough. The court will determine what the evidence means.
My lord, my client says his wife stopped communicating with him because she discovered he had been hiding important financial information. Financial privacy is not automatically financial misconduct, correct, but concealment can become significant when it affects the marriage.
My lord, counsel is turning marital disagreement into a criminal investigation, and counsel is turning serious marital issues into ordinary disagreements.
Counsel, remember, this is a divorce hearing, not a shouting competition.
Then let us focus on the facts. Agreed. The facts will show my client also suffered. My client says she felt alone inside the marriage. My client says he felt constantly criticized inside the same marriage. So both parties were unhappy. Exactly. Which means the question is whether the marriage can realistically continue. And my client believes it cannot. My client agrees.
Then perhaps the court is finally hearing the same answer from both sides. Before I consider the petition, is there any final objection?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, and I have one response. The marriage should not be dissolved based solely on anger. Agreed, but neither should a person be trapped in a marriage that has genuinely collapsed.
The court has heard both sides. The evidence and applicable law, not emotion, will guide this court. Court is adjourned.